There's no doubt parties are a fun, efficient, and effective way to prospect for customers, hosts, and teammates. But another place to prospect for your business is social media. Did you know 54% of all women aged 34 to 55 are on Pinterest? I know I am. Those are your target customers, and 93% of Pinterest users have pinned something to make a future purchase. And that's just the potential of your business on Pinterest. Over 22% of website traffic from social media referrals comes from Facebook, and almost 70% of Facebook users visit the site daily. That's a lot of eyeballs and a lot of potential to reach friends, family, and customers who may be interested in buying, hosting, or joining. Your customers live on Facebook and Pinterest, so why not meet them where they are to get them where you want them to go? That's why we launched the Marketing tab in your workstation, to help you prospect online and expand your reach. If you haven't explored it yet, let me give you a quick tour. The Marketing tab is a collection of promotional images and product-related resources, all enhanced for mobile devices, that you can use to promote your business online while making it easier than ever for customers to place orders. If you have an active personal website subscription, you can link your Pinterest and Facebook accounts in the Account tab. This will allow you to share product and promotional images on your social media accounts that link directly to that section or even that product on your PWS. Plus, we'll include links to your social media accounts in your email signature on any automatically generated emails, such as an order confirmation, so customers who order from your PWS can simply click to connect with you. Just think, anytime someone sees your post on Facebook or your pin on Pinterest, they can click on the image and be redirected to your website to buy it. And whenever someone comments on a product you post, you'll know who's interested in learning more about your business. It's just another way that the home office team is working to help you harness the power of technology to expand your reach and your business.